Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download multiple references from PubMed. I will also show you how to conduct the advanced search on PubMed and then how to import them directly into the EndNote in a very simple few steps. So first of all, you will open the PubMed and then we will click on the advanced search. Now we can see here this is add with add with R, and add with not. We know that and is used to combine different terms. R is used to combine together or simple similar meanings, words with similar meaning, and it broaden our search. And not is used for the excluding some specific terms. For example, I'm taking the example of stroke rehabilitation through the that RTMS, repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation. So I will enter my keywords starting with the stroke, and I will click on the add with R. Next, we will enter another keyword like the CVS, like the cerebrovascular accident. We will click on the search. Here it have a huge number of results. We click on the advance again. Now we will search the PubMed for our second key term, that is the rehabilitation. We can add physical therapy. Search and click on the search. Again, click on the advanced. The third key term, that is the RTMS, the repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation. We can also add another like the brain stimulation. Click on the search. Now to combine all these three keywords and add synonym together, we will again click on the advance. Here we can see the history and the search detail, all the three searches for the three keywords. So we will click on these three dots and we'll click on the add query. Then we will click on the second search and we'll click on the add with and. As these are different terms and we are combining together, so we will click with the add with and. Now this is our search, and we have the stroke, CVS, cerebrovascular, all of them, they are combined together with the R. The rehabilitation, physical therapy, they both are connected with the R. And then the RTMS, repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, and the brain stimulation, they are connected with again R. And all these key terms, three key terms, they are connected by and. So we click on the search. Still, we have a huge number of references here, but it is from 1970 to 2026. Suppose if we want the search, if we want the research is published in the previous 10 years, so there are two methods. Either you can click directly on the 10 years, but if you want customized search. So you can drag this to the, suppose if you want the search from the 2018 to the 2026, so you will drag them to the 2018 to 2026, and now we have the 2606 result. We can further select from these, like we suppose if we just need the randomized control trial, so click on here. And if we need only the full text article, similarly, there is, we can also add additional filter, but that will be enough. Now we have 359 results. Now the next step is how to download the multiple references from this search in a single file. So there are two methods. You can manually, if you are searching and screening these results by their titles. So if you are selecting this one, so click on this checkbox. And if you want to include all these results which are here, this 300 almost 60 results in a single file, then skip this selection one by one and click on the send to, click on the citation manager. Now from here you can select either you just want all results or you all result on this page or selection. Selection mean if you have clicked on the boxes to some specific articles, then click on the selection. If you just selecting the references, the searches on this page, so there will be 10 in number. So click on the R result on this page. And if you are going to select all the searches, these 359, then click on the all results. Suppose I'm just clicking on all result on this page, and we will have this only 10 searches. We can see here this is the 10. So I will click on the all result on this page and then create file. Now we can see here there is a file downloaded in the NBIB format. Now the next step is how to import them into the EndNote. So open the EndNote file. Either you have, if you have already opened library, so you can add to them, or if you can, if you want to make a new library, so click on the new, and that will be click and save. Close the previous one. This is now the new library. Now click on the file, then click on the import, and then again on the file. Then click on the choose. This is the new one which is now recently downloaded. Click on this one. And import option, you can choose either the PubMed NLM or you can also use the EndNote import. So I'm clicking on the PubMed NLM, and then I will click on the import. Now we can see here all the 10 references. They have been downloaded. Now you can manage it here by adding the PDF or managing by the author, managing on the pages appear from old to new or from new to old. So this is a very simple and how to conduct and how to run advanced search on PubMed, how to download multiple references in a single file, and then how to import them into the EndNote. Thank you so much.